Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is a groundbreaking field that works with materials at the tiniest scale, atoms and molecules, to create powerful new tools and innovations. It's already transforming the world around us in exciting ways. From medicine that targets specific cells to faster, smarter electronics, nanotech is improving everyday life. It helps build lighter, stronger materials and allows for early disease detection with nanosensors. You'll find it in healthcare, energy, electronics, and even in the clothes we wear. This tiny technology has huge potential, unlocking smarter solutions across industries. As scientists continue to explore its possibilities, nanotechnology is quietly shaping a faster, healthier, and more efficient future for us all. NASA's Orion spacecraft, paving the way to the moon and beyond. NASA's Orion spacecraft has taken a major step toward future space missions by successfully proving its advanced docking system in space. This is a big win for the Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the moon. Orion is designed for long distance space travel and comes with cutting edge docking technology that lets it smoothly connect with other spacecraft, like the upcoming lunar lander. After going through hundreds of tests and simulations, Orion has shown it can dock safely and precisely in all kinds of space conditions. This is especially important for the Artemis 3 mission, where Orion will meet SpaceX's Starship in lunar orbit to transfer astronauts to the moon. The success of this test proves that Orion is ready for the complex challenges of deep space exploration. Richter Skyrider X1, personal flying EV of the future. The Richter Skyrider X1 is a groundbreaking electric flying vehicle built for just one person, designed to transform how we travel in busy cities. This eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft rises straight up like a drone, avoiding traffic completely and flying smoothly above the streets. It features a lightweight, modern design and runs on a powerful battery, making it a clean and eco-friendly alternative to traditional transport. What makes it even more exciting is its autonomous flight system, meaning it can fly on its own without a pilot, giving users a safe and stress-free experience. Advanced stability controls help it stay steady in the air, even in tricky conditions. The Skyrider X1 is perfect for quick urban commutes, offering quiet, zero-emission travel that's ideal for the future of green mobility. Rocket Lab Neutron, a new era of smart space launches. The Rocket Lab Neutron is a powerful, next-gen rocket built to change how we launch things into space. It's fully reusable and designed for medium-lift missions, capable of carrying up to 8,000 kilograms to low Earth orbit. Whether it's launching satellite networks or supporting space exploration, Neutron is ready. It runs on the all-new Archimedes engine and is made from a strong yet lightweight carbon composite structure that boosts both efficiency and reliability. One of its coolest features is the Hungry Hippo fairing, a clamshell-style nose cone that opens and closes easily for faster loading and safe return of cargo. This makes the rocket super flexible and cuts down launch prep time. Built with sustainability in mind, Neutron is also environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Samson Sky Switchblade. The Samson Sky Switchblade is an exciting new vehicle that's both a car and a plane in one. On the ground, it looks like a sleek sports car, but when you're ready to fly, its wings fold out and turn it into a real aircraft. You can drive it from your garage to the airport, take off into the sky, and land at your destination. Then simply fold the wings back in and drive away. No need to switch vehicles. It seats two people and can go up to 200 kilometers per hour, 125 miles per hour, on both the road and in the air. It uses regular premium fuel, so you can fill it up at almost any gas station. Switching between driving and flying mode takes just a few minutes, and when not in use, it fits easily in a standard garage. The Switchblade is perfect for anyone who loves adventure or wants to skip traffic in style. It's designed for comfort, speed, and convenience, whether you're cruising down a highway or soaring through the clouds. Smart mobility cities. Smart mobility cities are changing the way we move by using modern technology to make transportation faster, safer, cleaner, and more efficient. These cities connect public transport, bikes, scooters, taxis, and ride sharing services into one smooth system, often accessible through a single mobile app. For example, in Helsinki, you can plan and pay for all your travel bus, bike, car, or taxi using just one app. This makes life easier and reduces the need to own a car. Smart traffic lights, road sensors, and connected parking help reduce traffic jams and pollution. Cities like Singapore and Barcelona use these systems to manage traffic better and improve air quality. They also make streets safer with cameras and sensors that help prevent accidents. The benefits are huge: less traffic, cleaner air, lower costs, and easier travel for everyone. Starship. Starship is SpaceX's giant next generation rocket designed to take space travel to a whole new level. It's the tallest and most powerful rocket ever built, standing about 400 feet high, and it's made to be fully reusable, which means it can launch, land, and fly again. This massive spacecraft is built for more than just Earth's orbit. It's designed to carry people and cargo to the moon, Mars, and maybe even deeper into space. The rocket has two main parts: the Super Heavy booster and the Starship vehicle on top, which can carry over 100 people or heavy cargo at once. NASA has already chosen Starship to land astronauts on the moon for its Artemis missions. Powered by powerful Raptor engines, Starship is meant to make space missions faster, cheaper, and more frequent. It could be used for satellite launches, space tourism, and building future space stations or bases. Submarine Combat Information Center, CIC, the submarine's command brain. The Combat Information Center, or CIC, is the brain of a submarine. It's the place where every critical decision is made during a mission. Packed with high-tech sensors, advanced screens, and secure communication tools, the CIC helps the crew monitor everything happening around the submarine in real time. From tracking enemy ships and avoiding underwater obstacles to controlling weapons like torpedoes and missiles, this room handles it all. Operators in the CIC constantly stay alert, making sure the submarine stays hidden, safe, and ready for action. It's not just about defense, it's also about gathering important data, guiding the sub through tough conditions, and staying connected with command centers. Whether it's a combat mission or a stealth patrol, the CIC is where strategy turns into action. Techno-Alpine TT9 and TT10 snowmakers. The Techno-Alpine TT9 and TT10 are changing the way snow is made on ski slopes with smart design and powerful performance. The TT9 stands 3.5 meters tall and comes with a special tilting tower, so workers can do maintenance safely from the ground without climbing ladders. It's equipped with a turbine, an oil-free compressor, and advanced quadrojet nozzles with ruby nucleators that create high-quality snow, even when temperatures are a bit warmer. The TT10 builds on that with even more features, like a stronger 22 kilowatt motor, a user-friendly touch display, and a built-in weather station. This allows for fully automatic snowmaking with precise control based on real-time weather conditions. Both machines are designed to last and use energy efficiently, making them a smart choice for ski resorts that want to cover their slopes reliably while caring for the environment. Tesla Underground Tunnel, the future of beating city traffic. The Tesla Underground Tunnel, also known as the Tesla Loop, is Elon Musk's brilliant idea to end city traffic problems. Instead of getting stuck in long traffic jams, this system uses self-driving Tesla cars to take passengers through underground tunnels at speeds up to 150 miles per hour. That means you can travel across a busy city in just minutes without stopping for traffic lights or dealing with congestion. The system uses elevator platforms that smoothly lower you and your car into the tunnel and bring you back up when you reach your destination. It's fast, efficient, and completely electric, making it eco-friendly too. The Tesla Loop is already working in places like the Las Vegas Convention Center, showing how this technology can change urban transportation. It's designed to be affordable and easy to expand, making it a smart solution for other cities around the world. Vortex Orbital Transport, a new era of European space travel. The Vortex Orbital Transport is a next-gen spaceplane that could revolutionize how Europe explores space. Unveiled at the Paris Air Show by Vortex DAW Aviation, this innovative vehicle is designed to be launched on top of a rocket, complete its mission in low Earth orbit, and then return to Earth by landing smoothly on a runway, just like a regular airplane. It's reusable, cost-effective, and built for many types of missions, including satellite servicing, space station resupply, cargo transport, and even clearing out space debris. Backed by France's Defense Ministry and the European Space Agency through the Explore 2040 initiative, Vortex is part of a long-term plan to give Europe independent and flexible space access. The project will start with small test models and grow into a full-sized, crewed version expected by the 2040s. VW Hovercar. The VW Hovercar is a cool and futuristic idea that turns science fiction into reality. Designed by Volkswagen in China, this small two-seater car doesn't use wheels. It actually floats above the ground using magnetic levitation. That means no touching the road, no bumps, and a super smooth ride. Perfect for busy cities, it's made to be fun, safe, and eco-friendly. Instead of running on gas, the VW Hovercar uses clean electric power and special electromagnetic roads to hover and glide silently through traffic. It's great for short trips around town and is easy to drive thanks to its compact, rounded design. It even comes with smart features like automatic braking and sensors that help avoid accidents. Because it floats, it doesn't wear down roads and makes almost no noise, which could help create quieter, cleaner cities. And since it's small and easy to park, it's a perfect fit for crowded urban areas. Willow Chip. Google Quantum AI has just introduced its most powerful quantum chip yet, called Willow. This incredible processor has 105 qubits and could completely change how computers work in the future. What makes Willow so amazing is its ability to reduce errors dramatically, something scientists have been trying to do for over 30 years. To show its power, Willow completed a super complex task in under 5 minutes, a problem so difficult that even the world's fastest supercomputer would take 10 septillion years to solve it. That's a number with 25 zeros. Although it's still being tested, Willow is already opening up huge possibilities. It could one day help us create new medicines faster, improve energy systems, boost artificial intelligence, and protect online data with stronger security. This chip is more than just high-tech hardware. It's a preview of a future where computers are millions of times faster and smarter than anything we have today. Wuling Hongguang Mini EV, the tiny electric car that's changing city travel. The Wuling Hongguang Mini EV is a super compact and affordable electric car that's taken the urban world by storm. Made by SAI's GM Wuling, this Mini EV has become incredibly popular in China, sometimes even outselling Tesla because of its super low cost and practicality. Don't let its size fool you. It can fit 4 passengers comfortably, making it ideal for city driving and daily errands. With 2 battery options, 9.2 kilowatt hours or 13.8 kilowatt hours, it offers a driving range of 120 to 170 kilometers per charge, which is perfect for short trips around town. It may not be a speed demon, but with a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour, 62 miles per hour, it's more than enough for city roads. Its small size makes parking a breeze and navigating traffic easier than ever. What's most exciting is how the Mini EV proves that electric cars can be cheap, practical, and perfect for everyday people. ZoMotion, a life-changing exoskeleton. ZoMotion is a groundbreaking medical exoskeleton designed to help people with spinal cord injuries and other mobility challenges move again on their own.